Ayun po. Today po yung opening ng weightlifting sa Palarong Pambansa. So, how are you feeling so far?
Sobrang saya. And di pa rin ako makapaniwala na this is it, demo sport ng weightlifting. At nandito kami ngayon sa Lawag to represent our sports and to showcase it in Palarong Pambansa.
Yun po. So, if I remember correctly, you lobbied for the inclusion of weightlifting in Palaro for several years. So, kumusta yun? Like, how did it feel when you first found out na parang finally may include na siya sa Palaro?
Yes, bino-voice out ko na sa like media and everyone, like 2016 pa lang after I won the silver medal in Olympics sa Rio. Then, I thought it's easy. Like, sabihin mo lang widely or sa media na pasok, but there's a process. So, yung proseso ay proposal na ma-include ang weightlifting, inclusion, then 2 is exhibition. So, it takes a lot of time and, yung time nga. And then, naging demo sport siya ngayon. So, para sa akin, it's one step closer para maging regular sports. And I'm so happy to see na there's 9 regions and 70 athletes na participating in the demo sport. So,
yes,
it's masaya.
Yun po. So, now na na-include na po yung weightlifting sa Palaro as a demo sport, what else do you hope to see like for the future of weightlifting here in the Philippines?
I hope to see a lot of regions participating in weightlifting. I hope na mas marami pang champions na ma-build because of Palarong Pambansa, inclusion ng weightlifting sa Palarong Pambansa.
Yeah.